I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas brown, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girlies. So today's video is going to be a chit chat get ready with me, and we're also going to be trying out some new makeup because Sheglam went ahead and sent me over the Sheglam X Frida Kahlo collection. So we're going to try this out, swatch, try some new makeup together, and just chit chat. I feel like my contact lenses need to be changed out because as I blink I am just seeing blur. So if I look like my eyes are not eyeing today, it's because they're not. So we're gonna try out everything that I got in this package, swatch it, check it out. I feel like I always do the same like makeup look, so I'm kind of excited to try out something different. Please do not look at my nails. I had a gel French manicure for the last couple of weeks and I just peeled all of it off, so my nails are looking a little funky right now, and now everybody's staring at my nails because why did I say something? It's fine. Look at them. They're gross. But yeah, girl, it's been a minute, so go ahead, like usual, grab your snack, grab your blunt, grab your drink, grab whatever you need, and sit down and chat and hang out with me. You know, let me know how your day is going in the comments. How's life? Like I said, this is from Sheglam. This is Sheglam X Frida Kahlo. If you don't know who she is an iconic artist from the early 1900s, and she's still iconic right now. When it came to, you know, her makeup look, she was known for her signature bold brow and her red lips, so that is kind of what I think they try to embody with this collection, because they did send me over all of the products. So if you want to get everything that is in here, which let me show you guys, look at the packaging, by the way, like this is so freaking cute. Everything is $46, so if you want to get all of these products, 46 bucks, super good deal. You get a palette, 4 brow products, 3 blushes, and 3 lip tints. So we're gonna try all of these out. I'm excited to try the palette out because I kind of opened it and I got confused. I was like, wait, where are the colors? And then I looked into it and I was like, oh, you're supposed to swatch it and reveal the colors. You'll see. But she was known for her passion, her vibrant colors. So as you can see, that is definitely what they embodied with the lip products. But yeah, that's what you get. A palette, 4 brow products, 3 blushes, 3 lip tints, and you get a cute little rose clip for your hair. Let's go ahead and start with the eyeshadow palette first. This is $8 and I'll have everything linked below so you guys can go and shop. So let's get into this palette. So here is the outside, and let me open it up for you. Look how cool that is. So I was so confused, like I said, when I first got it, and I kind of swatched it and I was like, oh, okay, so this is what you're supposed to do. So you're supposed to swipe your finger across to reveal the color. And look, now we have a beautiful like pearly kind of shade that was revealed underneath. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do this with all of the colors so we can go ahead and see what they all actually look like. So these are supposed to be more neutral colors, by the way. Ooh, that's a pretty one. So this will definitely allow you to create like the perfect neutral eye. So here are all of the colors once you actually reveal all of them. So really pretty. And then we have the 3 lip tints. This one is in the color Kahlo. Ooh, that's really pretty. This is the color Surreal. Nice pretty orange. And this last one is in the color Easel. So this is more of like a reddish kind of like tone. So this one is more of like a strawberry color, more orange toned, and then more pink toned. So I just try to wipe them off, and yeah, they are definitely lip tints because look, it left that behind. Now let's go ahead and try out the cream blushes. So we do have a more red color, and this is Modern Woman. More of an orange tone. This is Folk Art. And then we have Flower Crown, which is a pink color. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that for you guys right now. So here is the first one. This is in the color Flower Crown. Here's the Folk Art. Nice orange. And then we have right here Modern Woman. When it comes to their brow pencils, this is the 4 colors that they have available. So right here we have Auburn, right here we have Espresso, we have taupe, and then we have chocolate. So it comes in 4 different colors. Sheglam's makeup is super affordable, you guys. These are $2.99, these are $3.99, and the Flora lip tint are $4.99. But like I said, you can get everything for 46 bucks. Okay, so let's go ahead and actually try these products out and see what we think, okay? Because this is my first time trying out Sheglam. This is not a biased opinion. I'm gonna let y'all know what I really think about it. So let's see. We're gonna go ahead and start off with the eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take the 2 lightest colors and just put that all over my eye. And it's just like a nice shimmery, like pearl kind of color when you mix the both of them. So I'm just gonna put that all over. If you're somebody who likes neutral eyeshadows, but you like having the option for it to, you know, kind of have a pop to it with some of the colors, and this is definitely for you. I'm going to take these 2 browns, mix those together, and then just kind of put those in my crease. Oh yeah, I could definitely see myself using this every day, because that just made the perfect like neutral eye for me personally. Oh yeah, I definitely love this palette. Everything goes on nice and smooth. The eyeshadow wasn't falling off the brush the second I like, you know, start applying it. I'm just gonna take some of the gold and put that on there as well. For $8? Okay, cute. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on a little bit of mascara. I don't feel like doing lashes today. I was gonna put on some of my poppy lashes, but I think we're gonna skip those and just do a little mascara. For the blush and the lip, I'm gonna keep it more orangey tone today, so we're gonna use Folk Art for the blush, and then for the Flora lip tint, we're gonna use Surreal today. Ooh, this is pretty. I hope you guys can even see it. Oh my goodness, like this is actually so pretty. I'm gonna build it up a little bit. I've never been much of a blush girl, but as of recently, I definitely have been. Oh my gosh, I love that. That is so, do you see that? Look. Like that is so cute. Oh, that is so pretty. And it's going on so nice and smooth. I do have a little bit of powder on my under eyes, and it is not clumping up or anything because I know it's probably touching it a little bit. But it's just applying so pretty. And it's nice and buildable. As you guys can see, I'm putting just the tiniest amount. It's so nice. Oh yeah, I love that. When I used to do my makeup back in the day, I mean, if you guys saw, I mean, you've seen my evolution of makeup, right? But back in what, like 2016, 2017, I used to do it so freaking heavy, and I think that's why people tell me that I look a little different these days. It's because I'm not doing like excessive heavy eyeliner, crazy eyelash extensions, blue contact. Any of you are rocking the blue contacts, throw them away. I used to do super heavy contour, heavy blush that never matched the rest of the makeup, crazy eyeshadow, crazy my brows. So my makeup has definitely changed a lot over the years. I feel like I am now in the era of like fresh face, like happy looking makeup that makes you look alive, glowy, not so chalkboard. Okay, let's try this lip product, and then after we put the lip on, we'll do the brows. Okay, let's try this Surreal Lippy. I'm excited because these are literally $4. Oh yes, I like how it's applying. So when it comes to lip tints, I feel like it's very hit or miss. Like you're either gonna get, wow, that's so pigmented, wow. You're either gonna get a product that goes on, you know, great like this one is, or you're gonna get a lip tint that goes on really streaky and you have to put so many coats. As you can see, I have not had to re-dip it in. I'm still using the same first dip, and I got all this product. Wow. Wow. I'm really feeling this right now. It's giving Selena Gomez. So for the brow pencils, I'm going to use the color Espresso because that matches my brows the closest. And then on the other end, as you can see, you have a little spoolie. So we're gonna go ahead and brush my brows up. and then just kind of start filling them in. Forgot how much I love brow pens because you can actually draw on like such hair-like little lines. Oh yes. Do you guys see this brow like building up in front of us? And then brush it up a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Everybody was telling me like, Nessa, don't do it, don't pluck your brows because of that TikTok filter, the 90s pan makeup, where everybody was shaving their brows off because of it, and people were like, don't do it, you're gonna regret it. My brows didn't grow back after I plucked them all. And what did I do? I was like, no, I'm young, my brows will grow back. Yeah, they didn't. Now let's go ahead and put a little bit of highlighter on to complete the look. You can't forget the highlighter. I love how it's like a neutral, like natural look, but at the same time it's still very vibrant and bold. Like, this collection definitely gives you the best of both worlds. If I had to pick 2 products out of the entire collection, I would say my favorite would definitely have to be probably the brow pen, because it just made me like rediscover and re-love that kind of product again. And then probably the blush, because just the way it blended so nicely and the way that it like set on my face, like it looks so good. Like, I wish you guys could see in person like how nice it just like looks on the face. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Check out Sheglam times Frida Kahlo. Check out the collection. I'll have everything down below. Thank you, Sheglam, for sending that over. I really am enjoying the products so far. As you guys saw, I kind of layered 2 of the lip glosses, or 2 of the lip stains on, and I really like how it looks. So like, I'm gonna kind of play with this makeup for sure, and not let Nyla get her hands on this, because like I actually really like this stuff. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you guys all later. Thanks for coming back to my channel, and yeah, bye.